Do you remember when did you got your first period? Why periods? Why can't the mother nature can directly call me and say, girl, you're not pregnant. See you next month. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to All in One channel. I hope every one of you are at home and are safe and are healthy and are taking precaution to fight this COVID well. So yesterday while arranging my wardrobe, I found this class photo of 7th class. I was very happy. Me standing in the very front row, short hair, yellow hairband and a very long skirt. Yeah, long skirt. The skirt and the socks, they don't have any gap. A very minute kind of gap, so you cannot like really call it a school uniform skirt. It was rather a long skirt. My parents had bought me an extra large size. Talking about the shirt was no less. The shirt was beyond my elbow, not even on my elbow. It was beyond my elbow. The size of the shirt was even bigger. Like I am wearing a extra larger uniform. What I think is my parents must have thought that I'm a growing child, already kicking my puberty, and what if I grow in a very uneven manner? So that could be one reason they have bought me this extra larger uniform when I was in class 7, or I could wear that uniform for the next session. Yeah, that's correct. My parents must have definitely bought me this larger size of uniform only so that I can wear that uniform in the next class too. I agree. These brown parents, they think about future first. Like mom and dad, you guys are making me wear the uniform which I should wear in class 8 or class 9 in class 7, so that you don't have to buy a uniform year back and back. That's fucking rude. Why did you do this to me at my teen age? This really sucks. So we were almost in a line. I was in class 7th A and we were in a line walking towards the photo shoot of the class. Teachers were settling their pleats, girls were settling their hairs, boys were making their spikes even more sharper and sharper, and settling their ties and everything. We sat in a row. Girls were in a fight actually to stand with their bestie, plus they want to be in the first row. Even though they are 5'7" in height, these girls were 5'7" in height in 7th class. Still, these girls with 5'7" height, they were willing to stand in the first row. Just behind the principal seat, they want to stand. Like, girls, are you stupid? आप नॉर्मल लड़की नहीं हो, आप खंबा हो. 7th क्लास में ही आप अमिताभ जी बन चुकी हो. So finally, our class teacher made us stand in a line according to our height wise, and all of us were ready for this photo shoot. From the other side, the cameraman asked her to say cheese, and we said cheese, and a picture was clicked, and we all moved back to our classes in a line. Yes, all of us were really happy. Like 2 पीरियड तो हमारे फोटो शूट में ख़त्म हो गए थे. बढ़िया सबका मस्त टाइम पास हो गया था. 2 पीरियड जस्ट फोटो शूट, settling up ties, settling up hair, settling up the first button, and creasing the skirt, polishing the shoe and everything. On the other side, teachers were pleating their sarees, were very happy to sit near to the principal, were blushing, were combing their hairs, and were overexcited. The teachers were even overexcited. As soon as we reached the class, all the girls almost removed their hairbands. अब हेयर बैंड का काम ही क्या था, हो गया था फोटोशूट. वाई द फक विल वी वियर द हेयर बैंड? ज़रूरी थोड़ी ना है. So this third period started, and there was like this awesome gossip going all over the class कि English teacher and the vice president were sitting together during the photo shoot. आसपास बैठे थे. ये नया गॉसिप था स्कूल के अंदर. अब इंग्लिश टीचर और वाइस प्रिंसिपल साथ में बैठे थे और दोनों एक दूसरे को देख के ब्लश भी कर रहे थे. दैट वाज सम न्यू गॉसिप. माय फ्रेंड वाज टेलिंग दिस टू मी. I like really ignored it because I was having this monster kind of pain in my stomach. My stomach was paining like hell. I was trying to control it कि मैं चुप रहूँ, बात नहीं करूँ, but still I was having this unwanted and like endless pain in my stomach and my back, and then it started going all over my body. All my body parts were paining like fucking hell. पेट में दर्द तो हो रहा था. आई ट्राई टू कंट्रोल इट टू, एंड बाय द टाइम 4th पीरियड भी स्टार्ट हो गया. टीचर एब्सेंट थी 4th पीरियड में, सो समहाउ इट वाज अ सब्स्टिट्यूशन. आई वाज अ नॉटी किड, सो आई जस्ट ग्रैब्ड माई बॉटल एंड आई वेंट टू द टीचर एंड आई सेड, मैम कैन आई गो टू फिल माई बॉटल. तो बॉटल आधा भरा हुआ था. स्टिल आई सेड, मैम क्या मैं पानी भरने चली जाऊँ. द टीचर अलाउड मी एज आई वॉज अ नर्ड किड, सो द टीचर अलाउड मी टू गो एंड आई वेंट हैप्पी. मतलब यार सब्स्टिट्यूशन पीरियड है एंड यू आर स्टिल इन द क्लास. यू हैव नॉट मेड द टीचर अ फूल बाय गिविंग एक्सक्यूजेस टू गो टू द वॉशरूम या पानी भरने चले जाएं. So you have not lived your school life yet. So I walked out of the class, met another friend from the other section, and we went on a round on the corridor. As हम principal है, हम round पे जा रहे हैं corridor के, जैसे हम principal है school के. After like 5-10 minutes, the bell for the recess already rang. The crowd in the building, trust me guys, I am really thankful to God that this corona thing didn't existed earlier, because the crowd in my school building was no less than a election rally. It was much horrible. My stomach was still paining, so I thought to go to the washroom first before going to the lunch. So I went to the washroom, closed the door, and at the back side of the door, I hope everyone of you who is watching this video can relate, the back side of all the washrooms of the school are painted with the beautiful hands of the student A Love S. क्या तुम्हारा बॉयफ्रेंड ब्रो गर्ल्स वॉशरूम में आके देखेगा क्या मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड ने A Love S लिखा है? Crazy you were, seriously. So I went to the washroom, closed the door, and as soon as I opened my clothes, I was out of my mind. I thought that day was the last day of my life. My life was up and down or up and down. I thought I'm already going to die. I was sure that I am going to die. That ये मेरी ज़िंदगी का उस दिन मैं श्योर थी कि ये मेरी ज़िंदगी का आखिरी दिन है और मैं मरने वाली हूँ. द रेड सब्सटेंस विच आई सॉ ऑन माई पैंटी वॉज अनबिलीवेबल, क्योंकि कुछ आइडिया ही नहीं था यार दैट वॉट डज दैट रेड सब्सटेंस इंडिकेट. एंड आई वॉज वेरी मच हॉरिफाइड. मैं चुपचाप बैठ के आई वॉज वेरी साइलेंटली आई वॉज क्राइंग इन द वॉशरूम एंड आई थॉट दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डाई बिकॉज आई डेंट न्यू वट हैड हैपन्ड इन माई लाइफ. क्या हो गया, क्यों हो गया, ये पैंटी पे रेड कलर का कलर क्यों? आई वॉज श्योर दैट दैट्स द लास्ट डे ऑफ माई लाइफ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डाई. आई वॉज क्राइंग साइलेंटली. आई क्राइड फॉर द एंटायर रीसेस. द रीसेस वॉज ओवर. पूरा लंच पीरियड ओवर हो गया. द 6th पीरियड स्टार्टेड. आई वॉज स्टिल क्राइंग. I didn't know what to do. Like, what do I even say to somebody? If somebody comes up to me or I go to somebody, what do I say? That I have blood in my panty. How come? Why? I even thought for a while कि कहीं मुझे AIDS या HIV तो नहीं हो गया, because कुछ दिन पहले ही मैं स्कूल के साथ HIV हाउस गई थी to give some donations to that people. So I even had that thought in my mind and I was again very scared कि अब तो मैं मरने वाली हूँ. यही मेरे दिमाग में ना एक ही थॉट था कि अब मैं मरने वाली हूँ. This is the last day of my life. I don't know why I'm having blood from my vagina, but I'm going to die. So what I decided was to stay in the washroom and find a solution. Though I had no solution, but I decided to stay in the washroom because जब मैं उठ रही थी and I was trying to pull up my panty up, every next time it was giving a small kind of stain on my panty. So these blood stains बहुत डरा रहे थे मुझे, and the constant thought I was having in my mind was मेरी मौत बहुत नज़दीक है और मैं मरने वाली हूँ. The 5th period got over, the 6th period got over, and the 7th period got started. I heard someone knocking at my door. I didn't respond because I was scared. I was sitting in the washroom for like fucking 1 hour, more than 1 hour. So it was a baiji, sweeper auntie थी. उन्हें knock किया. I didn't open the gate. I was silent and I was sobbing. चुपचाप रो रही थी. I didn't open the gate and I was sitting quiet. उन्हें knock किया 1-2 बार and she left. वो चले गए because I didn't give any response. After 5-10 minutes, I again heard somebody knocking at my door. But this time, it was not the sweeper auntie or baiji. It was some teacher. She was knocking the door constantly. Even though I was not responding, she was knocking it. And like after 5-10 minutes, she gave me a warning that if I'll not open the door, she will call the principal. I was much scared now. I think I'm going to die. So जैसे ही वो टीचर ने मुझे वॉर्न किया कि वो प्रिंसिपल को बुला रहे हैं एंड द प्रिंसिपल विल बी कॉलिंग माई पेरेंट्स, आई वॉज ऑलरेडी वेरी मच स्केयर्ड एंड आई ओपन द गेट इन लाइक 5 seconds, हार्डली 5 seconds. मैंने दरवाज़ा खोल दिया. आई वॉज क्राइंग, आई वॉज सोबिंग एंड द टीचर आस्क्ड मी क्या हो गया, आप काफ़ी देर से वॉशरूम में ही हो. आई सेड येस मैम, आई एम नॉट वेल, मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. टीचर थॉट दैट आई एम डूइंग सम टाइम पास, में बंक कर रही हूँ. शी वॉज वेरी रूड, मेकिंग अ बट होल फेस. शी सेड कि क्या तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, तो स्कूल क्यों आए हो तबीयत ठीक नहीं है तो. मैंने बोला मैम मैं ठीक थी बट स्कूल में आके तबीयत ख़राब हो गई एंड आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल. टीचर आस्क्ड दैट व्हाट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम. आई जस्ट सेड मैम आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू डाई. The teacher was surprised. Teacher was horrified as soon as I said I am going to die. She said I am joking or kidding. She said again, what? मैंने बोला मैम मुझे लगता है मैं मरने वाली हूँ. I am having some severe disease. Teacher was also shocked. She came near to me and said very politely, asked me again, बेटा आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है आप मरने वाले हो, लेट्स गो टू द प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस. आई वॉज शॉक्ड अगेन. वाई, उसको मुझे प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस क्यों लेके जाना है यार, मैं वॉशरूम से भी बाहर आ गई, प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस ले जाके क्या घर पे कॉल करवा के ही मानेगी क्या. आई स्टार्टेड क्राइंग वेरी लाउड एज सुन शी सेड चलो प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस चलते हैं. मैं बहुत तेज़ रोने लग गई. देन शी आस्क्ड मी क्या हो गया बताओ. देन आई ट्राइड टू सेड somehow that I am having this blood from my vagina. I have blood in my panties. I am bleeding from my vagina. I said it. And I started crying as soon as I said this. क्योंकि पता नहीं था यार कि टीचर कैसे रिएक्ट करेगी. आई थिंक कि उनको पता होगा, नहीं पता होगा ये बीमारी के बारे में. एंड द लास्ट थॉट आई हैड इन माई माइंड इज़ या तो मेरे घर वाले मुझे मार देंगे अगर प्रिंसिपल कॉल करेगा, या तो ये जो बीमारी मुझे हो गई उससे मैं मरने ही वाली हूँ. दीज वर द 2 thoughts आई एक्चुअली हैड इन माई माइंड एट दैट टाइम. सो आई गेस द टीचर गॉट इट दिस टाइम that I am having my periods and I have no idea about the periods. So she asked me that is this the first time I'm having this blood in my panties, and I said yes, this is the first time ma'am. So the teacher got it I guess, and she sent this Baiji to the office to get me a packet of sanitary pad. And meanwhile, she came to me, she hugged me, she said me, this blood in your panties is a sign that you are no more a girl now. You are changing to a woman. And day by day, you'll get a more stronger woman. That's how she explained me periods. So the thought I had in my mind at that end of the day was, I'm growing from a girl to a stronger woman. And that's okay if I bleed, I get blood in my panties to be a stronger woman. That's absolutely fine. And I was no more worried by the thought that I am going to die, because now I know that that's period, and that's going to happen in every 28 days now. The teacher explained me everything, that this is going to happen in every 28 days. There will be a little pain, a little blood, and I got it all. And I was somewhere happy. The only thing which made me happy was that I'm going to turn to a stronger woman from a girl. And here is the strong woman right in front of you. The soldiers of our country shed their blood to protect us. The women of our country shed their blood to generate more lives. And though when we compare, both of them are warriors. Don't you agree? Even God gave us periods because He knew that we are more stronger than the men and we will be able to handle it. Periods give us the strength to create more life. Are we not the creators? Huh? And why do you guys even hide periods? It's natural, yaar. Periods natural hai. But when you hide them, that's definitely something unnatural. We can even fight the world all alone even when we are on our periods. Just wear your pad as a sign of pride. You can inspire a lot of women, a lot of girls who still hesitate to talk about periods. Just one step you have to take. Talk about periods, yaar. It's natural. We girls, it's not, we have created it ourselves. It's something which is given to us by God to create in another life. So that's something totally natural, and everybody should have a talk about the same, so that we not only dream of a world but also be in a world where having periods or talking about periods is not a taboo anymore, so that we don't have to go to the medical store to buy sanitary pads which are wrapped in a paper as if we are buying something shameless, or we have to wait for our periods to end to praise God. We are active, fearless, inspiring, strong, brave, and what not. So that's our responsibility to take a step ahead and talk to women and girls about periods and inspire them to talk back, because periods are something very natural. They are God gifted, and periods give us the opportunity, the ability to be creator of the world. I bleed, and that's something what make me a stronger woman day by day. You're strong today, you're stronger tomorrow. So we together can make a change and can change the mindset that periods are totally natural. Have a good day, fella. Stay safe, stay at home. Good night.